Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to show you how you can boil eggs easily in Instapot. So let's get started. Open the lid and add 1.5 cup of water in the inner pot. Now this is one tray that I got it from Amazon. You can place this tray inside the inner pot and place the eggs in the holes given. And this is a trivet that comes with the Instapot. So today I am going to use this trivet to boil the eggs. Place this trivet inside the inner pot as I am showing you here. Start placing the eggs on the trivet in the inner pot as I am showing you here. Make sure the eggs are not overlapped with each other. So here I have kept 12 eggs and it fits evenly in the Instapot. Make sure not to overstack. After that, switch on the Instapot. As you have seen, it shows off sign. Now close the lid. Lock it properly. Now place the valve on ceiling and now press the steam function and it shows 10 minutes. Now press the high pressure and set the time for 5 minutes and wait for 3 beeps and it's turned to on. It's been 4 minutes. Since the Instapot is on, we have to wait until it's off and turn to low pressure as 5 minutes. And after it shows this sign, you have to cancel the steam function and then open the valve. Do it carefully and now wait until this pin went down automatically. It will take about couple of seconds as you have noticed here. And do not try to open the lid until this pin went down. Now the pin went down. Now it's time to open the lid. Open it carefully and place the lid aside and the eggs are boiled. Now in a separate bowl, take chilled water or icy water and start placing the eggs inside the water. Chilled water stops eggs from overboiling and start placing it one by one. Leave the eggs in chilled water for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's time to peel the shell from the eggs. Just roll it in between your palm and start removing the shell from the eggs. And this is the easier way to remove the eggshells and it works so quickly. And easily all the eggshell came out and this is how the egg ready. I'm gonna show you another egg. For hard boiled eggs, set the time in between 5 to 6 minutes, and if you want to boil the eggs soft, that means you have to set the time in between 3 to 4 minutes. Here I have removed all the shells from the eggs. Now I am going to show you the inside part of the egg. And this is perfectly boiled egg and you have seen there is no black line inside the egg when you are boiling in a simple way. So if you like this method of boiling egg using Instapot, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.